thing there, so look out for them things.
You see him look right to the camera and sell him things.
Yeah, man, so I'm big up Omar now.
He's looking right to the camera and telling people him this.
Yeah.
No, seriously, so this is a good thing. So you start now in the entrepreneurial journey, right? Which is a good thing because people sometimes feel like you can't live off the land.
Yeah.
Much more than just planting and reaping and eating, right?
That's it without food and the people them surviving. You have to have food. So them just not think about them part there. You know, them I think about every single thing in the city which is the matches box. I think outside it, we are sparking matches, so you know what I think of.
Listen, you're a real visionary. What is new with you now, apart from the Bush things, the Bush brand?
Well, tomorrow night we have Essence Reggae. You know, we have a world tour coming up. And yeah, I said it's now on TVJ.
Hold on, you need to look over this camera right here.
Okay.
Where's the red light? Yeah.
Yeah. So I tell you from now, me Yaksta have a biggest song in the world now.
Which song is that now, Pa?
Song named Chiquita.
Chiquita?
It's a girl song, but it's a song where Jamaica need and never they look forward to.
All right, hold on. Is it?
You know, release it.
Okay, but so hold on. Is it clean enough for airplay?
Yeah, man, it's clean enough.
All right, give us a little piece of it right now.
No.
30 seconds.
No, I want to know.
Yeah, man, no.
I'm not going to know it.
You can't.
No, I'm not going to know it.
You can't just tease. So
wait, but no, I'm not going to do
that. No.
I'm tell you straight. Debbie,
you have to give me at least 30 seconds, Yaksta. Yaksta, give me.
My word, we have the biggest song in the world now.
Yaksta, 30 seconds. Come on, you can't leave me hanging. Come ready.
Pretty you know from your head to your toe, senorita. And I said, bend down low and shake it for me, no chiquitita. Yeah. No time to waste, shawty. Wind up your waist. No time to waste, shawty. Magnum for days.
All right, give us some more. Hold on, give us some more. Pull up.
I'm going to tell you, I have the biggest song in the world right now. Just believe me.
Oh, yeah, because that sounds like a mixture of
Afrobeat
and something else.
Soca.
Yeah, and like a Latin flair.
Yeah, because people are make the different country them a war too much. Like we can't. Remember, so we look like each other, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so that's a universal thing. So remember now, me have the biggest song.
So that's Chiquitita, all right.
Yeah.
We have to start back with Ambition though, right?
Man.
Because Ambition is where everything started, right? Yeah. It has really been a transformative track, right?
Yeah.
Live transformative track.
Man, definitely.
Yeah. Do you feel pressured to kind of find back a hit like Ambition?
No. You see, what most artists undergo is the pressure of always meeting the people's quota.
Okay.
You see, Ambition wasn't found out of frustration, it was found through love. And then within the midst of Ambition, there was too much mouthing my ears. So what I did, I walk away from the noise and recalibrate and start focus back on myself now and be me. I can't get to be me now because I'm out of contract now and things I don't have to sing about will affect society. I'm not care about, I'm not business about a Grammy, I'm not business about having the, to be the man of the year, I'm not care about none of them things. Them things are frivolous because when I realize there's enough rich star when I'm sick, all them are ask for help, not a Grammy. Not for be the man of the moment and them thing there. I want to shape life and shift life. I not try to win nothing in a society. Yeah, because I realize it more than that. And the more I go and the more I get exposed to certain things and the more I start to understand the true essence of what music is. It's
very interesting that you said that because tomorrow is the Grammy Awards and you know most persons are like, we do this project, we submit it and we want to win it because it adds to this level of prestige and you know win factor for us as artists. It kind of authenticates you as an artist. You don't find that to be authenticating at all to your artistry?
All right, so what if you win a Grammy and you have no fans who rate you? And when you come in your hometown, you sing a song, them nobody look for you, but you have a Grammy. But I would rather have the fans them and have no Grammy at all.
Gotcha.
You get me? I say, I would rather sell units than have no Grammy at all. And accolades might validate you in a particular spectrum, but does the people that remember every single day, the Grammy artist make a listen song?
Yeah.
There are many people that win Grammy or won Grammy and nobody still listen to music. So if the Grammy comes, I'll be appreciative of it. Don't get me wrong, and quote me wrong. But that is not really my aim. My aim is to make sure to make songs like Ambition. So I know when it come, it come.
When it come. But you're about the people.
Yeah,
you're about the people. I love that. I love that. All right. So you talk about Essence that you have when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yeah. And then we have a thing called Overyard Sundays, which I'm going to be giving back to St. Mary, you know, giving back to my youth, them some collaborations who I try and they will have a platform. A studio will be open, you know, called Bush Music LLC. And we have Bush Fete coming in soon, and we have Bush Fest. So there's going to be 2 events that's going to drop this year. Big up my business partner, I know himself, you know. Mr. Tone, big up yourself still, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so
hold on, Essence is on, it's Saturday?
Tomorrow night, man.
It is tonight? Because today is Saturday. I hope you rehearse, because it's tonight.
Wait, today's Saturday?
Yeah, today's weekend. It's Weekend Smile Saturday. Come, what do you mean? Today's Saturday. Exactly, it's tonight is the show. Anyways. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Because we see you perform for Essence already. And I mean, the people love you, that's for sure. They love you. Reggae Month, though, because, you know, it's a start of Reggae Month, really. It started yesterday, but Reggae Month, for some persons, people not regarding the genre like it, you know, used to be regarded, and a month recognizing the genre is not so important for some people. What do you think about the month, though? And it's celebration of the genre of reggae.
Yeah. Sitting in front of you now. Reggae sitting right in front of you right now. I know you my talk so confident, because if we don't believe in it, the world not gonna believe in it.
True that.
I have the biggest reggae song right now named Panda Island to Kabaka produce. I have a whole entire catalog of reggae come. The thing with it is that they say if nobody believes, you have to believe first. So you say even before you become a believer, I will make you a believer by making the first step as a true believer of mine. Or me, per se. Nothing gone. The thing is that the more we suppress what we are and become something that we are not. If you keep on give away your culture and adapt something else, you'll lose the true essence. Yeah. And that's the reason Jamaica I feel like how it's supposed to be. Because every single thing that makes us Jamaica, we give way, we become rappers. Even though they're black people, you know, mama. We have to give thanks, but that feed them culture with them learn, that feed them space. Yeah. We have to just connect our culture to them. We have to start be back ourselves. We have to be true to what we are doing right now, and that's the only thing we can say.
True words have never been spoken. Yeah. That's the reason why it's the man with the ambition, right? Yeah. All right, we have to wrap up. But any new projects coming out apart from Chicky Cheetah that is going to come out in when?
This February, right?
Yes, we know.
Yeah, man. So this month to come out. Sorry, I mush too long, you know. We have this shame, I swear you.
And when is the Bush brand coming out?
The brand we're supposed to start launch everything by August.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully.
So you have to come back and smile with all of the merch and everything, you know.
TVJ, I'm on the station,
okay, make sure you come back.
Yeah, I'll come back, man.
Pick up yourself, Yaksta. Thank you so much for passing through. Congrats on everything. That was Reggae Artist Yaksta. Lots more to come on Weekend Smile. Stay with us.